Students, today we will learn multiplication using the lattice method. Multiply the following using lattice method. 53 into 8. So we will expand 53 is equal to 50 plus 3. Now we will put multiplication sign. Next to it we will write expand form, that is 50 and 3. Below multiplication sign we will write 8. Now we will multiply 8 into 50. We will get 400. Now we will multiply 8 into 3. We will get 24. Now the product which we have got, we will add these two products. 400 plus 24. 0 plus 4, 4. 0 plus 2, 2 and 4. So we got the answer 53 into 8 is equal to 424. This is called the lattice method, and this way we will do multiplication in lattice method. Let us solve another sum. 68 into 12. Here both the numbers have 2 digits. So we will expand 68 is equal to 60 plus 8, and we will expand 12 10 plus 2, and we will write 68 next to multiplication sign, that is 60 and 8, and 10 and 2 we will write below the multiplication sign. Now we will multiply 10 into 60. So we will write 1 6 are 6, and we will put this 20 next to 6, that is 600. Now 10 into 8. 10 8s are 80. Now we will multiply 2 with 60. So 2 6 are 12, and we will put 1 0. Now 2 into 8. 2 8s are 16. Here we got 4 products. So we will add these 4 products. 600 plus 80 plus 120 plus 16. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 6. We will get 6. Now 0 plus 8 plus 2 plus 1. We will get 11. So 1 we will write down and 1 carry. Now 1 plus 6 plus 1 8. So we got the product 816. We will write the answer 68 into 12 is equal to 816. Three digit by 2 digit. Now 819 into 12. We have expanded 819 is equal to 800 plus 10 plus 9. And we will expand 12, 10 plus 2. Now we will write down in the box first multiplication, next to that 810, 9. And below the multiplication sign 10 and 2. Now we will multiply 10 into 800. So first we will multiply 1 8s are 8, and remaining 3 zeros we will write next to 8. Now 10 into 10, 10 tens are 100. Now 10 into 9. 10 nines are 90. Now we will multiply by 2. 2 eights are 16 and 2 zeros. Now 2 tens are 20. Now 2 nines are 18. So here we got 6 products. All these products we will add. 8000 plus 100 plus 90 plus 1600 plus 20 plus 18. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8, we will get 8. Now at the tens place, 0 plus 0 plus 9, 9 plus 0, again 9, 9 plus 2, 11, and 11 plus 1, 12. So we will write 2 and 1 carry. 1 plus 0, 1, and 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 6, 8. Now at the thousands place, 8 plus 1, 9. So we got the product 9828. We will write answer 819 into 12 is equal to 9828. Look at this example. 781 into 90. 3 digit and 2 digit. So we will expand this 3 digit. 781 is equal to 700 plus 80 plus 1. Now we will also expand 90. 90 plus 0. Now we will arrange for multiplication. So we will write 780 and 1 next to the multiplication sign, and we will write below multiplication sign 90 and 0. Now we will multiply 90 into 700. So first we will multiply 9 into 7. 9 sevens are 63, and we will put 2 0 of 700 and 1 0 of 9, that we will get 3 0 after 63. Now we will multiply 90 into 18. So first we will multiply 9 8s are 72, and we will put 1 0 of 90 and 1 0 of 80 next to 72. Now we will multiply 90 into 1. Any number multiplied by 1, we get the number itself. 90 ones are 90. Now we will multiply 0 into 700. Any number multiply with 0, we will get the product 0. So 0 into 700 we got 0, 0 into 80 we got 0, and 0 into 1 we got 0. Now we will add all these products. So 63,000 plus 7,200 plus 90 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. Now look at the unit place. 0 0 0 will get 0. Now 0 plus 9, 9, 0 plus 2, 2, 3 plus 7, 10. So we'll write 0 and 1 carry. 1 plus 6, 7. So we got the product 70,290. We will write the answer 781 into 90 is equal to 70,290. Now we will solve one more example. 408 into 9. So first we will expand 408. That is 400 plus 0 plus 8. Now here only one digit, so we can't expand it. We will multiply. So we will arrange all expanded form 400, 0 and 8. And below the multiplication sign 9. Now 9 fours are 36 and 2 0 of 400. Now 9 zeros are 0. Now 9 eights are 72. Now we will add this product. 3600 plus 0 plus 72. We will get the answer 0 plus 0 plus 2, 2. 0 plus 7, 7. Now we will write 6 and 3. So we got the product 3672, which we will write in answer. 408 into 9 is equal to 3672.